Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find three consecutive positive integers such that the square of their sum exceeds the sum of their squares by 214. Let the numbers be x minus 1, x and x plus 1. Then, as given, we have the sum of the numbers as x minus 1 plus x plus 1, that is 3x, and the sum of their squares as x minus 1 whole square plus x square plus x plus 1 whole square, that is 3x square plus 2. It has been given that the square of their sum exceeds the sum of their squares by 214, that is 3x whole square is equal to 3x square plus 2 plus 214. Therefore, we have 9x square is equal to 3x square plus 216, or 6x square is equal to 216, which gives x square as 36 or x as 6. Therefore, the numbers are 5, 6 and 7. So, the correct answer is option number 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find two numbers, one of which is 3/5 of the other, such that the difference of their squares is equal to 16. Let the two numbers be x and y. Then from the first condition we have y is equal to 3/5 of x, that is 3 by 5x. Also, it has been given that the difference of their squares is 16. Therefore, we have x square minus y square is equal to 16. Substituting y as 3 by 5x, we get x square minus 9 by 25x square is equal to 16, which gives that x square is equal to 25. So, x is equal to plus minus 5, and therefore we get y as 3, and hence the correct answer is option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, given x, y, z are integers such that x is greater than y is greater than z, which is the minimum among the choices? Since here the nature of x, y, z in terms of 0 has not been given, that is, we don't know that whether x, y and z are greater than or less than 0. We cannot determine the minimum values. And hence, the correct answer is option number 4. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The given question is, given x, y, z are integers and x, y, z is less than 0, then which of the following has the largest value? Here we know from the previous question that x is greater than y is greater than z, and also in this question it has been given that x, y and z are less than 0. Taking any arbitrary values of x, y and z, like x is equal to -1, y as -2 and z as -3, from options we have yz into 1 minus x has the largest value. And therefore, the correct answer is option number 3. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, the sum of the third, fourth and fifth part of a number exceeds half of the number by 34. Find the number. Let the number be x. Then, as given in the question, we have the sum of third, that is x by 3, fourth, that is x by 4, and the fifth part, that is x by 5, exceeds half of the number, that is x by 2, by 34. Therefore, we have x by 3 plus x by 4 plus x by 5 minus x by 2 is equal to 34. Taking LCM of 3, 4, 5 and 2, we get 60. And therefore we have 20x plus 15x plus 12x minus 30x is equal to 34. That is 17x by 60 is equal to 34, or x by 60 is equal to 2, which implies x is equal to 120, and hence the correct answer is option number 2. Thank you.